Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Stardew mods. First, you'll need to install Smappy, which is the Stardew Valley modding API. Head to the official Smappy website and download the latest version. Once downloaded, extract the files and run the installer. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts to get Smappy installed correctly. This foundational step is crucial for almost all Stardew Valley mods. Now that Smappy is ready, it's time to find some exciting mods. Popular sites like Nexus Mods offer a vast selection. Always check a mod's description for compatibility with your current Smappy version and game version to avoid issues. Download the mod files, which usually come in a zip or RAR format. Remember to read any specific installation instructions provided by the mod author. With your chosen mods downloaded, the next step is installation. Most mods simply need to be extracted directly into the mods folder located within your Stardew Valley game directory. Make sure each mod has its own distinct subfolder inside the mods folder. After placing the files, launch Stardew Valley using the Smappy executable. This will load all your newly installed mods into the game. Sometimes, mods might not work perfectly. If you encounter issues, check the Smappy console window that appears when you launch the game. It often provides helpful error messages. Keeping both Smappy and your mods updated is key to a smooth experience. If a mod causes problems, you can easily remove it by deleting its folder from your mods directory. Enjoy your enhanced Stardew Valley adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.